Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Simple easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Simple, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in simple.com and press enter. On the Simple homepage, look for the Get Started button and click on it. You will be directed to the registration page. Here, you will need to enter your email address. Create a secure password and confirm it in the provided field. Next, select your country from the drop-down menu. Input your phone number, ensuring it's correct for verification purposes. Click on the Continue button. You will receive a verification code via text message. Check your phone for the code and enter it in the designated box. Once the code is entered, click on Verify. Now, fill out your personal information, including your full name and address. Provide information regarding your date of birth. Next, answer any security questions that may be required. After completing these fields, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the acceptance box. Click on the Create Account button to finalize your registration. A welcome email will be sent to your provided email address. Open the email to confirm your account. Once confirmed, you are ready to log in to your Simple account. Follow the on-screen prompts to personalize your account settings. You're now fully registered and set to use Simple. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.